Hi guys, Mary Techie here again, and I hope you are not missing me. But it's okay, life goes on. Today I was here in Al Quds, and my car was having some issue. It was misfiring, and it came to know that the keys were leaked from the spark plug area, so that's why the engine oil was coming within the spark plugs. That's why I was here, and they done some repair. They put some new seals inside the engine, and then there will be no misfiring at all. And one more thing, the brakes were not performing well. They took the disc out and sent it to one of the mechanic, and they have done some repair. It's like rubbing a tool on top of the disc, so the discs are like flat. I will show you. And today I thought I will make a one vlog on this, and you let me know that what's different between buying a new thing and repairing the old thing, so you can save your money.
So here we sent the brakes for skimming, and now you can see the brakes are almost new. They have done the skimming and put some holes again and made the disc very clear. You can see that the discs are very crystal clear, and these are almost new, so don't need to buy the new ones, which is the OEMs and very expensive. And this part, the engine top head, was again mentaled by the mechanic. The Bosch test brakes on the front, these are new and bought for almost 150 dirhams AED. I was checking if there's something broken, but as per my experience and all, everything was okay and there's no noise. Yeah, some of the back suspension, it's hard, but still it is okay. And just because of the old disc, the brakes were also got rotted, and that was the reason. And sometimes you will feel the noise when you are putting a brake. That's just because of the bad disc. So the repairing process is still going on. The brakes are getting mental by the mechanic.
And this Bentley is here. The trunk of the Bentley is not opening, and these guys are performing something. They're trying their best to do this maintenance of this Bentley. It's a Continental GT. As you can see that this guy was very shy, so he ran away. It's a Continental GT. One of his.
These are the old brake sides, almost like a stone. So the brakes are hard, and it's an old car, so he's pushing it back just to put them again on track. Again, this one disc you can see that is very much hard and just looking like a stone or concrete, which is not good. That's why it's also damaging the disc. Yeah, some of the brake parts were cleaned by this spray, and this one is just to clean the paint which they put, just for the record. Mostly the German cars, and they have expensive spare parts. That is one of the reason people are not buying it, but you know that if you're spending more money, it gives you more comfort and more joy. I hope you liked this video. Like it, share it, comment it, and comment about your thoughts. For now, take care.